So I got the eggs, the grits, the little potatoes and bacon from this place called Nature's Table Bistro in the Atlanta Airport. It's in the E Concourse. You're about to see how it is. You know, I'm gonna add some salt though, cause I don't know. We about to see. Let me taste it real quick. See if it needs salt. Let me see. Need a little salt, not a lot. If you mix everything up, you probably ain't gonna need it. Taste these eggs. Eggs is alright. Let's taste this little potato joint right here. Tastes kind of stale a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I probably won't be eating that part. Okay. It came up to about $12.71. Now, your first responder, military, anyone you know in that category, ask for the discount. I got $1.29 off. Ended up paying a total of $12.71, and I'm sitting over here by the McDonald's area. I'm sitting over here by the McDonald's area. Over here. Alright.